how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Well, today I'm going to share this purple eyeliner look, which is very easy to achieve. And without any further ado, let's get started. I am starting with my clear skin, where I've already done my skincare, and now I'm applying this PAC strobe cream to give my skin some glowy effect. Then for primer, I have used Wet n Wild 3-in-1 primer water, and then I'll be penetrating it with the help of my beauty blender. And for foundation, I'm using Colorbar Skin Radiant foundation here, and I'll be taking it at the back of my hand and then applying it with my fingers in dotted motion to all over my face and neck area. Then I've started blending my foundation with the help of a damp beauty blender, and I'll be blending it in the dabbing motion all over to my face and neck very gently. After foundation, I'll move towards color correction, in which I'll be using my skin shade related concealer to conceal my blemishes and darker areas. Here I'm using LA Girl concealer. Now for highlighting, I'll be taking the lighter shade and applying it all over to my T-zone area and under eye area as well, to give my face some highlighted effect. Then again, I'll be blending it with the help of my damp beauty blender. Now for the brows, I'm using L'Oreal Brow Pomade, and I'm taking small eyebrow brush to define my brows by filling the lighter areas of my brows. I don't prefer to enhance my brows because I want my look to be natural. In case you have light brows, you can use eyebrow mascara in order to create an illusion of bushy brows. The pomade which I am using here is in the shade Brunette, which is perfect for all Indian skin tones. Now I'm using Makeup Revolution loose powder to set my makeup. I did it after my brows because I wanted my foundation to set into my skin, and applying loose powder after some time prevents foundation from creasing. I will be applying eyeshadow now, for which I am taking lilac color from my Flawless 4 palette and depositing the color into the crease, and later I apply this color on my lid area as well to enhance the look. With the help of this brush, I would be taking the dark purple shade from my Beauty Glaze palette and will be applying it into my lower lash line. Make sure you deposit colors nicely onto your lower lash line. The Beauty Glaze palette which I used here is in the variant of Over the Rainbow. As the name suggests, it has got all the colors of rainbow, and all of them are supremely pigmented. Then for my waterline, I'll be applying Faces Gel Kajal on both upper and lower waterline. I know it looks a bit difficult to apply gel kajal on upper lash line, but trust me, it's not. For highlighting my face, I'm taking Milani Afterglow Strobe Light. But before this, I'll be highlighting the inner corner of my eyes. With the help of this small brush, I love to do highlighting all over my face, as it not only highlight my facial features, but it also gives my skin some glowy effect. I'll be highlighting my brow bone as well to give some lifted effect to my brows. And for blusher, I'm using L'Oreal Paris Lucent Magique Blush Blushing Kiss for my cheeks. And now comes the contouring part. I'll be contouring my face to give my face some sculpted effect. Here I'm contouring my nose, jaw area and cheek area, for which I'm using my Rimmel London bronzer. Make sure you contour nicely so that harsh lines doesn't appear. And finally, for lips, I'm using lip liner first to line my lips. Here I'm using LA Girl lip liner in the shade Natural. It is a very nice nude shade which is wearable with most of the looks. And on top of my lip liner, I'm applying this sugar lipstick in the shade Rosy Picture. It is a very nice nude rosy shade, and I wanted to give my lips some glossy effect as well. That is why I topped it with some lip gloss to give it some glossy effect. This step is completely optional, by the way. And finally, I'm using mascara, and here I'm using L'Oreal Paris Million Lashes Mascara in the shade Extra Black. And I also applied falsies in the end, which is also optional for you. The thing which I like about this mascara is it doesn't make my lash hair too hard, and its wand is built in a way that it becomes easier to work in the inner corners. Well guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you really liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it would mean the absolute world to me. And I would like to take a leave now. Bye guys, हम फिर मिलेंगे, अपना ध्यान रखना.